Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export data from Landbot in 2026. If you want to download chatbot responses, lead information, or conversation data for reporting or backup, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, select the chatbot you want to export data from in your dashboard. Now open the Results, Leads, or Analytics section, depending on where your chatbot stores collected data. Next, review the available responses and make sure you've selected the correct chatbot. Now look for the Export or Download option in the dashboard. Next, choose the format you want to export, such as CSV, if multiple options are available. Now, if possible, select a date range or filter to export only the data you need. Next, click the Export button and wait while Landbot prepares your file. Now download the exported file to your computer and open it to verify that all the required information is included. Finally, store the file securely, especially if it contains customer details or other sensitive information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export data from Landbot. You can now back up your chatbot data or use it for analysis and reporting. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.